to stop it now.
Hold on.
He's tired. How many miles?
We're almost half.
Half mile?
Yeah. That's so much.
For a dog?
Yeah, he runs all day anyway. They're supposed to run all day. I used to run 3 miles with him
He's
outside.
tired.
I used to run 3 miles with him outside every day.
You didn't run.
Yeah, we did. We went
No
all
way.
over there and came back together.
Dude, it's really funny.
Almost there, Tilly, almost there. Come on.
Is it supposed to be for me? This treadmill?
You don't use it. Somebody gotta use it. Good boy, Teddy. Good boy.
He's gonna lose weight.
He's not gonna do it. He's gonna walk. It's nothing. Most people take
I'm
it.
gonna feed him from
Buddy,
today.
I'm serious. If I catch you, you're really gonna take.
Because he's really losing weight.
He's not. Look at measure him. Everything on him. Look at him. Go measure him. He's still so.
Hi,
heavy.
Teddy!
Good. Oh my God. Good boy. I need to
Is it
make him
sweating?
10 pounds. His target is 10 pounds.